Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I was just going to quickly show you how to change the battery on your Porsche key fob. Now this is from a Cayman 718 key, but a lot of Porsche keys are the same, and we're just going to quickly show you that. So you turn the key around where the valet key is, you just actuate this little lever here, and as you're doing that you can pull it back, and that gives you your valet key. You don't even need to take it all the way out. Just keep it right about there and then use it as a lever to pop up this back part. And as you can see, it's a CR2032 battery. That's a CR2032, and I will leave a link to that battery below in the description so you can make sure you're getting the right one. And all you gotta do is put it back, snap it back in place, and you're well on your way with a replaced battery in your key. So hope you enjoyed that video. Click the subscribe button if you don't mind on your way out. Thank you for watching.